ये जो पैडल बोर्ड पिकल बॉल की मार्केट है कितनी बड़ी है ग्लोबली?
So honestly, nobody can predict at this
Okay.
point of time.
करंटली क्या है इसका कैप?
जितना मुझे मालूम है कि US has a 44,000 courts.
44,000 courts it has.
It has. And Florida is the capital of
Paddle.
pickle pedal.
Pickle paddle.
So pickle pedal is one thing and pedal racket is two things.
Oh, so this I need to ask you, but what is like predicted in terms of India का क्या सीन है? वहाँ तो 44,000 खुल गए.
इंडिया में
हम
भी
क्या
1,000
हैं
और आई थिंक इट्स ग्रोइंग रैपिडली एंड इट्स टेकिंग एवरीथिंग बाय स्टॉर्म. मतलब बाकी सब स्पोर्ट्स रुक चुके हैं इंडिया में.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री में ना कुछ नया आया है. ओवर द इयर्स यू सी तो बैडमिंटन, टेनिस, क्रिकेट, स्क्वॉश, वॉलीबॉल, बास्केटबॉल यही था. कुछ नया नहीं दे रही थी इंडस्ट्री. तो पीपल वर pickle is a game where you see the audience has changed. Have you ever played sports before, or which sports you used to play before?
वही वो जनरलाइज वो अपना बास्केटबॉल खेल लिया, बैडमिंटन खेल लिया थोड़ा बहुत स्कूल कॉलेज में, फुटबॉल खेला रिसेंटली थोड़ा,
पिछले 5 साल में क्या खेला?
क्रिकेट थोड़ा बहुत, बास्केटबॉल, फुटबॉल,
रोलिंग.
रेगुलर खेलते हो कभी?
नहीं बहुत कभी. We were talking about how
What sport?
See, when you since 5 years you hardly played basketball, football. So pickle pedal is an audience where जो नहीं भी खेलते हैं ना, they have started coming into play.
That's right.
So India has a capacity of 125, but you don't see as 125 as an audience because majority तो interiors में हो गई. तो जो towns की audience है ना, they have less time. Tier 1, Tier 2 cities. तो sports as a culture has changed and evolved over the time where cricket was the mainstream and you have to give your full dedication. Then came box cricket. The square. Box cricket have changed the dynamics of cricket, changed the dynamic of football. Football की lifespan of anybody to good people like 30 years. If you have 30 years, you can averagely play to a big ground. Because it has come to turf, small version हो गया है cricket है, so your lifespan has increased to 30 to 40, 50, 60 years. Because you don't have to put too much energy and strength. 1 hour you can play, you don't have to run too much, so it's easy. So but what was the problem is there is you need people, you need crowd for bringing वो cricket, you need crowd for bringing football, team बनानी पड़ती है. So turf तो आ गए, run भी कर रहे हैं, success भी हैं. But if you want to, you like it. But your 10 people don't want to at that point of time.
That's what happens to us. Totally relatable.
Pickle has just changed everything. It has just changed. That is why pickle is what people cannot understand what pickle is. And I introduced pickle 5 years before and in India. At that time also we didn't know what pickle will do. 5 years before I just got 100 of pedals and it took me 1.5 years to sold the 100 pedal.
Wow.
And today we sold, in the last 1 year we sold around 10,000 plus pedals. 10,000 pickle pedal we sold in India currently. So how things have changed? Because of the pickle pedal you just need 2 people. You don't need much of skills at this point of time. Pickle कैसा है ना, ये हमारा ना क्रिकेट का दूसरा गेम है.
Okay.
You have a bat, you have a ball. Bat hit करना है. टेनिस में you see, टेनिस में you need skills. You have long handle, आपका बॉल आना चाहिए, टेक्निकली लगना चाहिए. बैडमिंटन में अगेन यू हैव अ लॉन्ग, सो लंबे से खेलना और शॉर्टर वर्जन से खेलना इज डिफरेंट. व्हेन यू हैंडल और बॉल इट्स इजी टू हिट लाइक दिस क्योंकि यू हैव अ जजमेंट. इन टेनिस एंड इन बैडमिंटन यू कांट हैव अ जजमेंट, उसका प्रैक्टिस ही चाहिए रहेगा. हवे में शटल कॉक आ रहा है, यू नीड टू नो हाउ टू क्लिक इट, यू कांट डू दैट. हियर यू डोंट नीड ऑल दिस. तो इट्स अ वेरी फन गेम. द ऑडियंस इज ऑल टुगेदर वेरी न्यू बिकॉज जो नहीं खेलते थे दे हैव कम इन टू द प्ले. जिसके पास कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं था, डोंट नो हाउ टू, दे हैव स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू इट बिकॉज इट्स मेकिंग मनी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉपुलैरिटी टेनिस डोंट वांटेड टू एंटर. बट सी एट द एंड ऑफ द गेम स्पोर्ट्स इज वन सब्जेक्ट, मनी इज वन सब्जेक्ट. सो लवर्स कितने भी हो स्पोर्ट्स के, व्हेन यू सी देयर इज मनी यू स्टार्ट एंटरिंग. Entire audience of tennis started coming to pickle. पहले they were tennis people like they were boycotting pickle.
अच्छा.
मतलब pickle it's a rubbish game or whatever. You see a lot of interviews and big stars or big tennis, they used to talk about that pickle is is just taking over, because of course it's taking the market of tennis. But then there is money is flowing, how much you can avoid?
जैसे टेस्ट मैचेस जब T20 हुआ तो
बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था. Yes. But today T20, but वो उसका एक पार्ट था कि it was a journey of cricket. Cricket was alive. Here the entire segment of tennis is
going down.
Dying.
So that is where, but अब यहाँ पे इतने पैसे हैं, how can you avoid this field? And people at the end want to make money. So tennis have started coming, new people have started entering, so the market rapidly grew. और सबसे important क्या है, money was made, people are making money. So until people are making money, they'll be alive. So it will take, वहाँ पे 44,000 है and India is 10,000. It's a huge difference. And India is growing rapidly. अभी तो
वहाँ 44,000 है, यहाँ कितना है?
1,000 है. 1,000 कोर्ट्स अभी हैं इंडिया में, वहाँ 44,000 है. मतलब फ्लोरिडा itself has 1,100 कोर्ट, जो पूरी इंडिया से ज़्यादा है. California has more than 1,000.
Yeah, लेकिन they have a space.
They have space, they have everything. You know, it's all about a trend.
Florida is also fitness capital of the world, na? Like apparently the fittest people in the
People
world are in
Florida.
Everybody like is
So that's
into
why
something.
And see, talking to fitness, so people used to believe that it's just a fun game. But last 3 months before, I read an article and it stated that कि pickleball one-on-one game is the most highest calorie burning game in the world. It has taken tennis, it has taken swimming is ranked 4, tennis is ranked 2nd.
Sorry?
So pickle ranked number 1 in one-on-one game. So if you play one-on-one game in pickle, the same amount of time in tennis, it's the highest calorie burning. So on the contrary, with fun, it is also a very energetic and calorie burning game. So fitness, as you said, Florida. So I understand why people have what's more of fitness.
Like,
in, so you don't need to learn skill and you can just enjoy. That is why pickle has, and it is just taking huge. Rest all the games are like, ठीक है, चलेगा. People don't want to.
हाँ, काफी इसका.
Even like a lot of business meetings usually would settle on like a golf games. I was reading, but now pickle has taken over because they say that the business is done within. You don't have to play a full round of golf, which takes 2.5-3 hours,
Right.
and you can just get it done within half an hour, 40 minutes.
40 minutes, yes.
And people are like shifting. So all business meetings now are happening, especially in the West, on pickle grounds.
Right.
Guys, hi, I'm Sid.
And I'm Veera.
And welcome to another episode of The Balance Path. We have Suraj here, who makes, let me just show you what he makes. Sells actually. Do you also manufacture these?
We do it.
So if you know what this is, then this episode is going to be very interesting to you. Okay. I personally have never played paddle.
Pickle.
ये pickle है कि paddle है?
Pickle
See,
है.
so if you're like me who doesn't even know what pickle is and what paddle is, then we are actually going to ask him कि भाई माजरा क्या है, चक्कर क्या है, okay? But now I have a racket to play pickle and not paddle. But thank you for the racket. And he also owns Airawat, which is a sports manufacturing / selling company, and recently into pickle. And okay, let's start by tell us what is pickle, what is paddle. ये पहले तो ये वाला confusion दूर करते हैं.
Okay, so pedal is the name of a product.
Okay.
Pickle pedal. Actually, how pickle has arrived was in 1965. One American thought of just having fun with his dog or something, and it's in his courtyard, and he started playing a new game with a bat, with a ball, and because he has a dog, he was very fond of it, or he was getting bored or something. It's an entire story, I don't remember.
Okay. 65.
1965.
Wow.
This game is from 1965.
Okay.
And then they were playing, and they thought of keeping a name. So they had a name of a dog called Pickle.
Oh shit. Okay.
And from there, this name Pickle has arrived. And pedal is like a bat. So you call pedal. So Pickle is the name of the dog, and the pedal they introduced because they wanted to call it a bat. So they call it
like a paddle.
Pedal. And pedal racket is altogether a different game.
अच्छा वो अलग है.
That I think looks like a tennis racket.
No. It's a similar board of kinds, different of carbon material. It is played in entire glass shield. And the glass shield is closed 4 ways. It's also a very different new game. It's a more of rich game, you can call it, because it's a lot of expensive The entire
okay.
court setup is 15 to 20 lakh in India.
That thing.
Then the
just
setup.
to- okay.
Because you have to put a glass.
Okay.
So that's a pedal racket game, which is again a niche market. So niche market game is, of course, it will take time to grow to certain level. And this is a mass market game where masses have entered. So that is pedal racket and this is pickle pedal.
Pickle pedal.
There is another called beach pedal, which is not here in India yet.
It's on the beach only.
It's on the beach only. It's a similar kind of pedal with a C shape, similar to pedal racket, but it has a lot of marks on different structuring frame for the beach pedal. So that is again different, but is not in India yet popular.
Acha.
There's a lot of new things that have arrived,
I
and
know.
people are still confused. Even we were confused, and we used to buy what is pickle, what is pedal, and how, because that time it was very new. But over the time we realized ki pickle pedal, pedal racket, beach pedal, differentiating, bringing. So that's how pickle and pedal has a.
Isn't there another game where there is a racket that mimics of a smaller tennis racket and the rules are similar to tennis, which is there is no out in pickle, right?
There is out.
There is out. Okay, I've not played, so I don't know.
Out as in the same like tennis. You have
Okay,
a pointer system.
Oh, okay, good.
So in all this game, pickle, pedal racket, and every racket is a pointer
There's-
system.
Okay.
11 on something. So it's
Right.
all about point system, but I don't know which game you're talking about.
Okay, maybe I
Probably
don't know.
tennis for kids. With a smaller racket, probably. But you got into the. Did you start manufacturing this straight up? Did you like procure this from somewhere?
So we have a manufacturing setup in China.
Okay.
We started manufacturing pickle balls, especially
Acha.
3 years before in China itself.
Okay.
That time pickle was not much popular in India, and in the Western it was started booming up. So we have a counterpart there, and we started manufacturing from there and started selling. We also never knew that it will take India also so strongly. So since 1.5 years before we started, 5 years before we introduced pickle pedal in India,
Which was what year?
I think back to 2019-20. We
Acha.
got first pedal racket something, which was like 50 pieces or 100 pieces, I don't remember. And we just got it because we also didn't know what is this market, what is this all about. We just put it and everything. And in India, there was already pickle pedal, very small market with professional playing at a very small
Acha.
level. So it was going. And it started selling. We also didn't know, because we have a distribution network pan India to most of the retail store, and we have a good connection. So the pedals told, but we were worried ki, okay, that time the costly was much higher. It was 7,000, 8,000, 7K, 8K at that time. So putting 7K, 8K, and you don't know whether it will sell or not is a very tough risk. So we bought it 100 or 50 pieces and we sold off. But then we were very whether it will pick up or not in India. Suddenly since 2022 and something, it started growing, and then multiply started happening. People started getting aware. Big people started coming on board. So how game any new game, any new thing come from these celebs. So when you see celebs playing, then there's a buzz in the entire town. The paps want to capture all these people, then they want to talk, then there's article, so the chains start building. So when Karan Johar started introducing somewhere, or Janvi Kapoor or Varun Dhawan came to certain events of pickleball with the connection and all, so people, media started talking. So when media started talking, it's all happening. It's a viral, everything from one floor to, and that's how pickle started. And then when pickle started and people started seeing it as a money-oriented game, so everybody has to jump in. And today, everyone into the pickle. You see, there's a World Pickle League going on. There's Indian Pickle League going on. Currently, there's a similar to IPL that's happening in India, the Pickle League.
Acha.
Where Ritesh Deshmukh has bought Pune team, Swiggy has bought Mumbai team, proper. Samantha Ruthprabhu has bought Chennai team. So there's 6 different cities their team has been bought. It is just happening within 2-3 days or something. It will start. So this proper world league is going on. International players are coming in India. I read an article where article states that NBA is one of the most highest earning for the athletes, for the professionals. Average international pickleball player is making more than the highest WNBA.
What?
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
I read this article and I was, so how is like WNBA is like it's a different and an average because there's a lot and lot of tournaments going on. See, I've been in the sport industry in a very long time. So I've seen badminton tournaments, I've seen swimming, I've seen tennis. But all these tournaments, one thing is very common. There's no much of price.
हाँ वो वही मैंने पूछना
You give
था.
them trophies, you give them certificates, you give them some goodies.
pretty much it,
And if the very high level of tournament, then you give certain amount of money. It's very high. In this pickle, from the base, from in a very, very basic tournament, people are
Achha.
1 lakh rupees,
Okay.
5 lakh rupees. International players are coming from UK, US, all part of the world. यहाँ पे उनका you have to stay, wait, everything is fine. The organizers, then you make money, you win. So it's a lot of money, and that is only India. I'm talking just India. You see, the global part is different. Now, US Open for pickle has started.
अच्छा जी.
US Open for pickle. Australia Open is happening, and I read somewhere Australia Open is one of the biggest in tennis. And now what they're doing is because they know pickle is the next, they've already made a pickle open separately in the same time. So they have made a pickle court for those things.
अच्छा जी.
So Australia Open के साथ Australia Pickle Open
Pickle
भी
चलेगा.
they are
चल
doing
रहा
it because they know it's a trend. So everybody wants to attract it, and there's a lot of money coming. So athletes or because I see the crowd is very less. People are entering. So जो established होके they're just making money and money and money. Of course, the hard work and everything that counts, but then so there's so much of money into pickle where people don't want to talk about anything. Pickle I बेचूं,
So
make
when you say lot of money, is it like for who? The manufacturer, the seller, the people
Everybody.
organizing?
everybody.
You as a business, let's say you manufacture and sell. Like, what is your strategy? As in, where do you want to be when you think about your business in terms of paddle picker?
Okay, so the pickle pedal is somewhere that so as a brand we have multiple segments of sports category from swimming, badminton,
Right.
football to fitness accessories, yoga mats and etc. This is a multi-product range. Swimming is the base that we have.
Acha.
Swimming is we are very very strong in swimming with the quality of product. Like just for example, we are the only Indian brand to get the World Aquatics approved swimming goggles.
Okay.
So World Aquatics is like a FINA, where you have to get an approval from the body of the swimming federation, where those particular goggles can be used for any of the international for Olympics.
Okay.
So like in pickle also you have same. You have to get it approved from USPA, that's from US, where this paddle is recognized, and for any international match you can use this paddle. So you have a
Acha.
registered number, you have a site. So that's for FINA World Swimming. So we have gone to those level where we have those kind of swimming ranges. So we are known as a swimming big brand in India very well. Pickle is something that now we are just into 10 years around. The brand focus started from 7-8 years. So before us there were a lot of Indian brands or other brands that have captured. So in badminton you have one particular brand has a hold in the market. In football you have other brand you have hold in the market. So every brand has its own face. Ki when you want that particular product you
go to
move
that
toward
brand.
Right.
So in pickle swimming we have established, in pickle we want to do the same. We want to be the one brand that has so impactful region that for pickle next after 2 years 3 years was first thing you have to keep is this brand product. The rest you keep other, that doesn't make any sense, but you need to have Airavat on your store, on your listing, and that is where we are focused. So when I started pickle, I think we were the first initial brand to get Indian brand proper into pickle. Today we have a range of more than 15 plus varieties of pickle pedal itself.
Acha.
So people have just started entering with 2 variations, 3 variations. We have 15 and the next 5 is coming in next 2 months. So we have more than 20 range of only pickle pedal. People are thinking about pickle. We have started working with accessories. So you need bag, you need there's a lead tape which increases the weight of the pedal. You need erasers. There's a lot of accessories. So people don't know yet. People अभी कैसा है कि pedal लाओ pedal बेचो. This is a game happening. So we knew कि this is okay. We did. So we are moving to accessories. Once people are coming to accessories, we were moving towards coaches. So coaches is a big segment.
As in?
So when game grows, Of course, there's money. People wants to jump in. You want to learn the skill. Learning the skill, you need a coach, and I am pretty sure down the line this will come into the Olympics also. Because has to come. It has to come. Of course, there is a criteria. You have to be played by 75 plus nations. The game has to be played or something. But it's a very small tendency game. The badminton is there, so I'm very sure that this can easily come into the game. It's a very popular game, so it has to. So the part of the coach will increase. Or if India has to look into that, so you need to have good coaches, because if you want good players. So now we are trying to make, a coach campaign, especially for the coaches from Airawat. We want have a database of all the coaches, give them what we can from our side, and make a strong coach team. So that is one thing we are trying to enter into something, because see, school, colleges, everyone will start coming into the school. So what I realize is that after long years, there is a chance of anybody to rule it. Somebody has entered 40 years, so some school is more, 30-40 years old. Here they are very good into, like for nationals. Nationals are good into cricket or somewhere. But if you know Anjuman Islam in Mumbai, if you know about him, they were the best. Rizvi,
Rizvi.
They were the best in cricket. So Rizvi was very old. If any college is coming in the last 10 years, it will take years to match to Rizvi. To talk about cricket, they talk about Rizvi. It takes years to... But this is a sport where you can change the face of your college, your school, your state, anything. Because you have a chance. And this chance is very big for anybody. So it's similar to the brand, what you had the question. Similar, we also want to capitalize this and make it big, so that after 3-5 years, when the market is stable, people look at Airawat as, pickle you want, they are the best. So this is trying to be the best, but working hard.
Nice.
I have a question. So this was pre-COVID, right? Like the whole, you tried to make the pickle pedal.
Yes.
Pre-COVID. So obviously, like you sort of have a first competitor's advantage, because you've been in the industry for a while, right? So but like, where did this thought of getting, because it's a very different sport, I'm sure you must have had many questions that should we not, so like where did it suddenly come into, because you were a swimming brand and straight into pickle, and that also when nobody was really thinking about it, talking about it. Now people are like, there are lots of friends that we have that are in the sports manufacturing, and they are now thinking about maybe like
entering pickle.
So like what came into like your head?
Pre-COVID, actually, I used to travel to China every 2.5 months. So in a year, 3 to 4 times or 5-10, depending upon situation, we used to travel China. So anything that is happening to the worldwide, the manufacturing has to come to China.
True.
And when you go regularly, you get the sense of what is changing in the market or what is something happening. So I already said 3 years before, we started making pickleball in China with my counterpart in China, and I started exporting from there, because India was a very small market. There was no market only itself. So 5 years before, I just got a pedal, 50 or 100 pedal in India, thought of, it's a small investment you're keeping. It's a new game, you'll keep it because it is somewhere starting. So we just kept it 50-100 pedal with not knowing what will happen today. 3 years ago, we started making pickle, and we started seeing that pickleball is just selling like a hotcake for US, for different major for US, because US was the main source at that time only. So we started selling for US, and we realized there was something very big happening into pickle. And after 2.5 years, 2 years before, we started making into our own pickle pedal, but the Indian market was very, very, very small. There was no market, nobody knew. But slowly, gradually, we started understanding the pulse, we started understanding the market, and I had a very good connection there in China. So for us, it was very easy to, understand what will happen in the next upcoming years. Because before it was only US playing, and the entire world started playing. So globally, there was a lot of talk about pickle. In China, we used to find pickle after every, 10 factories, you'll find one factory. Now every 10 factories started making.
Achha.
Of course, there is a demand. Nobody makes randomly. There is a demand. So in India this demand is happening, so everybody is coming. So because I used to go, I had a good connection. We could understand that there's a pulse that is coming and it will change the game. And we thought that this is a time where I think it was my time where I should enter it, because somebody else will enter. So by koi 40 years, 50 years already industry mein, they had a very established. So and then you see, one part is in, second part is Mumbai as a city. So Mumbai as a city has a lot of role to play.
True.
Any trend that is coming to US, it will first come to US, then it will come to Europe, then it will come to Asia, and then it will come to the other part, similar to like that. So Mumbai was something where the trend came first.
True.
People started talking about pickle. My badminton grips were very good, so people used to come for us to buy badminton grips, or pickle academies. There were very few started in India. They started taking grips from us, so we understood that where they are using, what is happening. We used to hear the voices of
Like
pickle pedal.
feedback and-
Yes, so we knew that pickle pedal is something that has
Ho
come, and hook is something is doing. कितना बड़ा होगा? Trust me, nobody knows.
अभी भी नहीं पता.
अभी भी नहीं.
You don't know what is happening. But still, अब तो फिर भी 1.5 years हो गए, people can assume. But क्योंकि competition इतना आ गया, you can never know where is the saturation or when you will be have a traffic jam into this. Still people are making money. But too much of traffic, somewhere you have to get stuck. So there you don't know where you have to stop. But 1 year before, so you don't know where and how, what will happen to this industry. This industry is very, very,
It's
very
even we have a pickle court in Jalandhar.
Two, yeah.
Two. Yeah.
started. Yes,
Yeah.
it will soon. You see, Jalandhar is the sports capital.
Exactly. Yeah.
And the least amount of sports is played here.
True.
I told one of my people from here in Jalandhar, why don't you put a retail store of good and everything, because they have a lot of stores. He said, we already have plenty of stores and everything, but the sale is very less here. The local people are not interested much in game. So selling is higher, but playing is very less in this city.
That is true, somehow. And who all do you sell your, like, how do you sell your, the paddles? Like, is it only online, retail? Is it national, international?
So we have different modes. First is this retail segment, that is offline. So pan India, most of the retail store, we have a distribution network.
Okay.
So any of the nearby the retail goods store, we have. And second is the online segment, where we are there on the marketplace through our website, airawatindia.com. So we try to sell from those two things. Amazon has approached us 1 month before, because they wanted our paddles to be sold in US also.
Okay.
So we are in talks with them. Maybe sometime we'll try to have an international market, because going international we never thought of at this point of time, because they have approached and they saw there's a lot of good demand. So maybe with them we'll try to go there. So
Nice.
this is a distribution network that we are working on over the years.
Nice. And like, what is like, I'm just thinking in terms of like the churn rate. Like, let's say I get a paddle from you.
Okay.
How long is that going to last me? Will I be a repeat customer to you? If yes, then how much time will, like,
This is where the sports industry has a lot of issue. Not just pedal, any of the sports. Having your, having your customer with you for a very long time is very difficult. So before online, so retail store was very different, used to work. But because of online, you see the trend has changed. People want to invest money and they wait for the returns after years. For example, like customer retention cost, to call it. And in sport, it doesn't happen. You buy pedal, it will last. Your mood has changed. You don't want to play after a few months. You have a pedal at your home. The next time you want to come and play, if your pedal is not in use, you will not go and buy only Airavat. You will still, because you are again fresh. So you will again look for something new. You want to see something new. Of course, brand will have its credibility. Okay, you have played with Airavat, but you will see कि या तो मैं एरावत में डिफरेंट अदर पैडल्स ट्राई करूँ, या तो आई जस्ट ट्राई समथिंग न्यू ऑल्सो. क्योंकि this is not a fashion industry product where you have the same lipstick or the same eyeliner and you don't want to take a risk and you are keep on using, or you don't have multiple options. You have 20 varieties of lipstick, so let's try 5 this model, 10 this model. It's a game of one.
लिपस्टिक खत्म भी हो जाती है ना, then you buy a new one. वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, मतलब
ये खत्म नहीं होती
होता ना,
ये इसकी लाइफ होती है, और खत्म होती है ना, आप बोर हो जाते हो, आप फेंक देते हो, फिर आपको नया चाहिए होता है. तो इट्स नॉट ओनली दिस पेडल, एंटायर स्पोर्ट्स. आप एक डंबल ले लो, cost of the dumbbell is very less. 10 kg of dumbbell, 10 kg of dumbbell is hardly 1250 rupees something, or 1800 rupees something. आप 10 kg dumbbell ले तो लिए, you are using it. Now tomorrow after 3 months you don't want to, or you are bored, your friend you give him. That dumbbell is rolling 3 times. If you see 1800 rupees, इतने सारे लोग इतने मल्टीपल टाइम, तो इंडस्ट्री पैसे कैसे चंक करेगी. इंडिया में 300-400 के योगा मैच आते हैं. 1 योगा मैट, हाउस में 4 लोग हैं, 4 people is using 400 rupees of yoga mat. Per person is 100 rupees. It is used for 1 year, 2 years rupees. Calculate, divided by 100 rupees by 12 months. You see there is nothing.
1 रुपया लग रहा है,
मतलब वो भी नहीं लग रहा है, मतलब 100 रुपया 12 महीना, उसके ऊपर कितना लग गया, मतलब it is very 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 minute. And then after 1-2 years when you want to rebuy yoga mat, you're thinking, अब ब्रांड भूल चुके होगे, you are very fresh. So when you go again to the market, you are going again to the online, you start typing yoga mat, you start finding okay which yoga mat, which is new, which is again cheaper, which is good. So that trend with the sport industry is a big problem कि हम मार्केट को we can't hold the customer for a very long time, because कस्टमर का प्रोडक्ट लंबा चलता है, बोर हो जाता है, और आधी से ज़्यादा ऑडियंस खेलती है थोड़े टाइम के लिए, छोड़ देते सब.
तो इसका क्या काउंटर है आपके एज अ बिजनेस, मतलब
you have to just increase the audience. आपके पास मार्केट बढ़नी चाहिए. आप एक ऑडियंस को लॉन्ग टाइम तक आप केटर नहीं कर सकते हो. अपैरल्स हो, सी when you're buying, for example, if you're buying sports apparel, so any apparels, आपने randomly online देख लिया, आप स्टोर पे चले गए ना, you like it, you'll buy it. Nevertheless, about sometime about the price, quality and everything. If you are not using, you can gift it to your friend, your families, कोई ना कोई. आप wardrobe खोलोगे, आपके पास 20 टी-शर्ट्स निकल जाएंगे. आप शू रैक खोलोगे, आपके पास 10 varieties स्पोर्ट्स शूज निकल जाएंगे, 3 varieties स्पोर्ट्स शूज निकल जाएंगे. आप आपके पूरे के पूरे, इफ यू इन अ बिल्डिंग, आपके बिल्डिंग वो जो कितने योगा मैच निकलेंगे एक. सो द अमाउंट ऑफ गुड दैट इज सोल्ड इज वेरी लेस. द ऑडियंस इज वेरी स्मॉल इन स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री. एक टी शर्ट बेचने जाओ तो आप, कंपटीशन है, आई थिंक कंपटीशन एवरीवेयर, बट आई फील कि यू नो
प्रोबेबिलिटी एक ही बंदे की 4 टी शर्ट लेने की ज़्यादा है, रादर देन के
Exactly.
4 योगा मैट एक बंदा लेगा,
तो
वो
कॉस्ट नहीं होगा, नहीं लेगा. बैडमिंटन लेने के लिए वो 20 टाइम्स सोचेगा, लेना है नहीं लेना है, क्या
खेलेंगे
लेना है,
नहीं,
कितने
नहीं,
जगह जाएंगे, खेलेंगे. मतलब इवन यू वांट टू गिव देम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, आई डोंट प्ले इट. सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ गिविंग. इफ यू डोंट प्ले इट एंड इट गिव यू पिकल पेडल, आपके घर के कोने में पड़ा रहेगा, इट्स वेस्ट. टी शर्ट रहेगा ना, तो यू विल एनी हाउ यूज इट, समवेयर अदर वेयर यू विल यूज इट. So that is where sports industry, its market is very different. You just can't take sports industry that way. You just have to increase the market. The government is doing good in that, increasing the market. From cricket, other sports activities have increased in India. Badminton is doing good. Pro Kabaddi has started growing good.
प्रो कबड्डी में क्या प्रोडक्ट है एज अ स्पोर्ट्स मैन्युफैक्चरर?
Not much, just knee support and all. But as a game, it evolves. So when game it evolves, the coaching start making money, venue start. तो बाकी सब भी तो लगते. As an industry, what we see is not how much we are doing. At the end, overall, the industry should grow. So if the industry is growing, somewhere you get the benefit. So हम as a brand, we don't see कि oh how much Airavata is making at the end. No, how much industry is also making, that is very important for anybody to work. Industry grow की तो
सभी ग्रो करेंगे. एरावत का टॉप सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट क्या है? एक अगर प्रोडक्ट, मतलब रिगार्डलेस ऑफ कौन से उसमें सेगमेंट में.
a swimming cap.
स्विमिंग कैप.
So, because swimming is something we are very good. Swimming cap, we have one base swimming cap. The brand has started from that particular cap. It's a classic swimming cap we have. The brand evolved from there. I knew when I was very new into the business segment, and there was no brand. So my family used to sell swimming goggle and cap. My uncle used to get the cap, and that time I was talking about the wholesale price. Huh? So that time in 2014, we used to sell that cap for 40 rupees wholesale price.
Okay. And what did you get it for?
We get it for 39-41 rupees something.
Acha.
39 to 41 rupees, depend upon the calculation you get it. So very, very, very minimal pricing. Profit was hardly. So my uncle has one thing that no matter what, quality is a priority that he wants to keep. He don't want to keep low grade products. Market used to sell for 22-25 rupees. The wholesale market of swimming cap at that point of time, wholesale market used to sell for 22-25 rupees. We used to sell for 40 rupees.
And you used to get it for, you're saying
39 to 41 rupees, depend upon the import duty, tax and everything.
Literally, matlab 30 paise.
Sometimes we sold for 37 rupees also. Selling for losses. Because you have a product, but you don't have a market for that. And cheaper market is very huge. But because the quality is good, nobody wants to pay, but people want to buy it. People want to buy it for 25 rupees, but people like your product. So that is where I realized ki product is excellently good. Because I can see other market and my quality is very different. People want it. And that's why I started then let's come into swimming. Because swimming we were doing good without brand, but the quality we used to do was very good. And that's the first thing we entered into swimming with the brand. And when we got into brand, that 40 rupees of cap, we started selling for 125 rupees wholesale price.
3 times.
Of course, the prices increase, cost increase, everything
What is
increase.
your landing for like?
Currently? So the landing for this swimming cap currently we increase our packaging, we design, we made it more luxurious, a lot luxurious, but more of premium look. And 80-85 rupees.
I think I've used your swimming cap. I think so. Because like now that you say it, there's a logo here.
Yes.
Customer. So very customer.
Yeah.
You want another cap?
You understand? Being a customer, coming to your podcast and realizing it's so late. So my customer retention cost is so high.
Wow.
After so much of thing, after coming to your podcast, customer retention cost is so high.
Customer को याद आ रहा है कि आधे घंटे बाद
Yeah, like now I remember it because like I still have it.
That is where
ये भी problem है ना.
it's not her problem. It's the market. You don't want to remember. मतलब ये आपका necessity नहीं है. You don't highlight it. Like you are using a particular shoes.
वो सबको दिखाने का.
Swimming cap ठीक है, we are wearing it. It's good until it's a very big brand. वो भी इतना commonly you don't want to. So there where the problem of
customer
as a sports industry, customer. The people don't understand the new people, the newcomer are coming, जो online करते हैं, they feel like customer retention cost is this much, we'll recover. But because every industry is different. You can't see how Zomato is working तो उसका customer retention high है, tomorrow low है, because उसकी regular chunking industry है.
दिन में 3 बार ही मंगवाएगा.
Exactly. आप कितनी बार स्पोर्ट्स मंगा लोगे? आपने 1 बार 2 बार, और जो प्रोडक्ट रेगुलर मंगाते हो उसका प्रॉफिट तो निग्लिजिबल होता है. मतलब यू वांट अ पर्टिकुलर शटल कॉक, यू आर वेरी गुड, सो देयर इज सो मच ऑफ कंपटीशन, यू कांट मेक मनी, एंड व्हाट इज नॉट सेलिंग वेरी मच, उसका आप कितने प्राइस लगा तो बिकना ही नहीं है. सो हियर ऑल्सो एंड देयर ऑल्सो यू आर समवेयर यू कांट लिव, यू कांट.
कुछ चीजें ऐसे भी होते हैं, यू हैव टू सेल देम एट अ लॉस जस्ट टू काइंड ऑफ बी इन, ऐसा है लाइक यू हैव टू. अगर 4 प्रोडक्ट है, 2 में मतलब लॉस पे बेच रहा हूँ ताकि मेरे
लॉस तो नहीं, बट हाँ यू सेल इट एट मार्केट कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस, यू सी इट एज ब्रांडिंग कॉस्ट, यू सी इट एज योर मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट, you don't see it as profit making. So we recently got one particular swimming goggle, so the cost of the goggle was around 69 or 70 rupees something. We're selling for 75 plus sometime discount plus anything. So the point is कि that goggle we wanted everybody should go. सबके पास हो. We got a very lower cap. So from classic cap we got one bottom level because we wanted to mass market also. Classic cap or again ranging of 250 MRP. So 250 people buying was a cost. People don't want to. वो मिल जाता है मार्केट में 100 रुपये में भी. So we got a cap with the brand at 100 rupees. 100 rupees of MRP we got a cap. We want कि कॉमन मैन है ना, 100 रुपये में उसको ब्रांड मिल जाएगा ना तो वो नॉन ब्रांड छोड़ देगा. What we did is कि पहले स्विमिंग कैप पे वी हैड अ वेरी स्मॉल लोगो. आई रियलाइज कि जब आप सस्ता बेचते हो ना तो लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. लोगों को सस्ता चाहिए. तो व्हेन यू वांट चीपर पीपल डोंट लुक एट मच एक्सपेक्ट. व्हाट आई डिड इज कि इन द कैप आई मेड द लोगो बिग साइज. आई मेड द लोगो ह्यूज, नॉट वेरी ह्यूज बट बेट बिगर देन दिखे. दूर से भी आपको एरावा दिख जाए. सो आई सेड मेक इट चीपर and put it in the branding part. So we're making very less money there, but we're selling it like a hot cake. So we want everybody, मतलब pool में अगर आप उतरे हो and when you stand in the pool 70-80 people में से 50-60 people should be wearing Airavat. तो you see when people are wearing so much of cap, the other product start selling. Trust on other product or उसकी different aspects में people recognize the brand. So what we're trying to do is build a brand through different ways.
More eyeballs on the. And how many caps do you sell in a year?
Just for the one, if I talk about all the caps, 9-10 lakh piece.
9-10 लाख बेच देते हो. As opposed to 1,000 you 10,000 पैडल बेचते हो अभी.
10,000.
हाँ. लास्ट ईयर बेचा हूँ 10,000.
लास्ट ईयर. इतने सालों के बाद अभी 10,000 पैडल पे पहुंच गए हो.
नहीं, सालों के बाद नहीं है, चालू ही हुआ है.
अभी चालू है.
You can't just it's just a growing game. Swimming is an old. This is just a growing. और 10,000 पैडल is huge. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि इंडिया में 10,000 पैडल कोई ब्रांड अभी बेच रहा होगा.
बना ही नहीं रहा होगा.
नहीं बना रहा.
कंपेटिटर आपके कौन है? जब मैं उसकी पैडल की बात करूं, कौन ऐसा 1-2 ब्रांड जो आपके दिमाग में आते हैं कि ये भी?
सच बताऊं, इंडियन ब्रांड में तो कोई
सच में
कोई नहीं है. एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड एंटरिंग. सब अभी ना
सोच रहे हैं,
अभी उतरे हैं बिकॉज दिस मार्केट लाइक सी द ट्रेंड कम फ्रॉम मुंबई. आई कॉट इट वेरी मच बिफोर. मैंने पकड़ लिया, उसको बढ़ा दिया. अब डिफरेंट पार्ट या डिफरेंट लोग उतरे हैं. किसी का 2 पेडल है, किसी का देर मेकिंग. सो अभी ना पीपल आर स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कार्बन, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फाइबर ग्लास और उसके वेरिएशन. आई थिंक I have got so much of research. I did a master. Now we are getting titanium. We are getting Kevlar. It's a man-made strongest material, Kevlar.
जो bulletproof vest.
Exactly, bulletproof vest पे बनता है या planes के tires में. So we are getting in those material. People अभी carbon और fiberglass में they are just struggling to understand, and we have gone there. So my competition I think is the international market like Yola है, Selkirk है, they are international US brand. Of course, I don't compare because उनका एक डिफरेंट सेगमेंट है और उनकी एक ऑडियंस की एक डिफरेंट माइंडसेट है. उनकी ऑडियंस के माइंडसेट आई डोंट वांट टू टेक इट बिकॉज इट विल वेरी डिफिकल्ट. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द पीपल द मास. दे वांट गुड, दे वांट लोअर. सो फ्रॉम लोअर रेंज टू मिड हायर रेंज वी हैव एवरीथिंग.
तो ये अब कितने का बिकता है आपके साइट पे?
3600.
तो ये 3600 इज टारगेटेड एट जेन ज़ी मिलेनियल्स.
द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन मोर फॉर जेन ज़ी. It's more of vibrant and the people they like. It has a red color also. We have full red with a pinkish border. It's more. So we have different range from black combination to everything. So we have more than 15 pedals. तो सबके अलग combinations है. ये particular थोड़ा Gen Z को attract करता है. But if I had to buy being a millennial, तो its color is so good that I'll prefer it. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि डिफरेंट ऑडियंस के लिए भी मेकिंग डिफरेंट. बट मुझे पता है कि सी व्हेन वी रिसर्च देयर आर डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स आर डूइंग डिफरेंट. लाइक वन इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड योला, दे आर मोर टुवर्ड्स ब्लैक.
अच्छा.
मेजर फोकस है उनका प्लेन ब्लैक ग्रे, दैट्स इट.
मिनिमलिस्टिक. महंगा होगा बहुत.
महंगा 22K 40K.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
यूएस का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ब्रांड है वो. और एक दूसरा है सेलकर्क, दैट्स आल्सो यूएस ब्रांड. वो भी महंगा है 28K 38K. Those are vibrant. वो वाइब्रेंसी में खेलता है और वो मिनिमलिस्टिक खेलता है. आई रियलाइज वन थिंग कि इंडिया को सब कुछ चाहिए. सो वेरिएशन तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो मैं मिनिमलिस्टिक भी रखा हूँ और वाइब्रेंसी भी रखा हूँ. जो मिनिमलिस्टिक है वो हमेशा थोड़ा रिचर लुक्स पे ही रखा हूँ बिकॉज उसकी ऑडियंस थोड़ी सी क्योंकि वो सेटअप हो गया है कि ब्लैकिश है, ये है तो इट्स प्रीमियम. अब उसके अंदर मटेरियल आप ख़राब भी डाल दो ना तो वो रिच ही बोलेगा. और थोड़ा वाइब्रेंसी चाहिए बिकॉज देयर इज एन ऑडियंस जिसको चाहिए वाइब्रेंट, जिसको जेन ज़ी या मिनिमलिस्ट भी बोलो कि जिसको खेलने आए ना आए बट दिखना बढ़िया शो तो चाहिए. तो शो के लिए आप उसको बोला ब्लैक दे दूंगा दुखी हो जाता है. दे वांट कलर्स, दूर से दिखना चाहिए. तो दैट्स व्हाई We have both. What we try to do is we have two colors in every pedal. तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हर pedal के अंदर दोनों वेरिएशन, एक डार्कर शेड रखें,
एक
वाइब्रेंट शेड रखें, ताकि ऑडियंस को पैसे का भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो. विच रेंज दे वांट, दे हैव बोथ वेरिएशन. So try to balancing there.
What I want to ask you is like you said कि पहले ही आपने ये ट्रेंड पकड़ लिया, राइट? जब लोग अभी भी सोच रहे हैं लोग, तो क्या मतलब were there like were you at a phase where you thought कि यार ये मैं शुरू करूँगा, नुकसान ना हो जाए, should I even do it? क्योंकि 99% लोग, मैं भी कई बार ऐसे आके कुछ चीज़ को शुरू करने लगते हैं और सोचते हैं कि यार ये करना चाहिए, फेल तो नहीं हो जाएंगे. मतलब कैसे वो क्या था मतलब?
So in 2022 year end, I got approached by an international US brand. They wanted me to sell their product in India.
Okay.
22 November December की बात है.
Sports based.
Sport based, only pickle pedal based.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
It's an international brand. They approached me. We had a meeting. We had a conference and ये Zoom meet and all happened with उनका international whatever the team and all, everything we had. And it was 22 and that time pickle was just started. We were selling but हम भी बस बेच रहे थे. We also didn't knew what will happen. So actually I'll tell you why. 22 में when we started selling now, new audience was entering and tennis audience was converting into pickle. तो टेनिस में इतना ज़्यादा ना कि टेनिस पीपल है लाइक कि मतलब अब उनकी गेम को टक्कर देने आ गया तो दे आर फीलिंग वेरी इनसिक्योर. दे एंटर्ड एंड दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग नेगेटिव वाइब्स. वो उतने मज़ा नहीं आता, ये नहीं आता. तो द सर्कल वॉज वेरी स्मॉल ऑफ पिकल पेडल. इट वॉज अमंग वेरी लेस पीपल. बीइंग लेस पीपल, जब वो थोड़ी नेगेटिव वाइब्स आना चालू होगी ना, तो we were among those who were having a pickle pedal. We started knowing कि the vibe is negative and tennis people are not liking it. They are again going back to tennis. They again don't want to play tennis. They don't want to play pickle pedal. So we also thought कि maybe this particular game will not run for long. So time में it'll die.
Trend जैसे.
So the US brand approached us in 22 November December and he said we want to give you an agency, you do it pan India. And I also thought it's a very good opportunity for us because being a brand, if you have an international brand, there's a lot of you get an easy and they came from there directly to approaching us, and it was a very big thing for us because we are doing good in pickle pedal. So I asked them 5 years of contract. They wanted 1 year of contract.
अच्छा.
फिर I said boss 1 year is impossible. Until the time you want me to give you a pedal, it reaching me and everything will happen, 3-4 years will over. I'll start working on your brand and the game is over. They came to 2. I said at least make it 3. It has a balance. They were stuck to 2, we were stuck to 3. And then I thought ki maybe it didn't want it to happen, so we also did not push it because after 2 years or 2 it was very small. They said after 2 years we'll review it. But after 2 years, if the game grows or if the brand we establish and grows, they'll find somebody else who's buying much bigger.
वो तो enter कर
तो
गया
फिर
ना market.
I take it pushing hard at the initial stage. So I said 3 or no. They said we are into 2 and after that, so we denied that. I feel that point, there is always one point, although we are doing very good as a brand, but I think that point, if we have taken that, it will just boost more as a brand for Airavat. In 2 years, my brand would also have grown because that brand has the credibility of the international biggest pickle
But
brand.
कोई ऐसा क्लॉज नहीं होता फिर कि अगर आप हमारे बेच रहे हो खुद के नहीं बेच सकते टाइप?
नहीं वो मेरे ब्रांड थे और उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था. व्हाट दे वर फेसिंग इज इम्पोर्ट इन इंडिया में इम्पोर्ट करने का टास्क.
तो चाइना से कहते सीधे आप?
हाँ नहीं, वो इंडिया में इम्पोर्ट ड्यूटी गवर्नमेंट इतने मतलब ड्रामेटिक है ना. सी यूएस में इट्स वेरी सिंपल, यू हैव टू पे मनी. तो इंडिया में इट्स ऑल्सो सिंपल बट देयर इज सो मच ऑफ टैक्सेशन एंड फिर अंदर बाहर, तो यू नीड टू सेव एंड यू नीड टू गेट इट बेस्ट. सो दे वर फीलिंग चैलेंजेस और उनके पेडल से 22K 40K, so ह्यूज अमाउंट मनी. So they wanted somebody who, so they approached us and they saw us and everything. Of course, अगर US वाले आए हैं तो they would do their research and they come. They don't come. But then it did not happen. So there was the point I just said कि how do you recognize the point? So that was a point where I couldn't and I missed it. And I thought कि
अच्छा
वो मिलता ना तो what happened is कि आपने एक रेंज तो बनाया, people know you, but having international, I can't sell for 22K. Erawat at this point of time telling 22K or 40K का rackets, why to lie, but it will not sell. You can't have that audience of 40K. वो 40K में international brand
वो ब्रांड अभी है इंडिया में, बेच रहा है 40 के
बेच रहे हैं,
क्या बात कर रहे हो? 40 के का पैडल रैकेट बिक रहा है इंडिया में।
बिक रहा है,
तो मार्केट है.
मार्केट है.
क्या सेलिब्रिटीज
मुझे
वगैरह
तो
लेते
तभी
होंगे?
पता था कि वो बिकेगा.
हाँ.
मुझे पता था वो बिकेगा. प्रॉब्लम वाज कि पिकल ये होगा, ये नहीं
नहीं
किसी को
सोचा.
पता था कि 22 नवंबर दिसंबर और 23 नवंबर दिसंबर एक साल के अंदर जो पिकल गेम बदला है ना, वो क्या होगा किसी को पता नहीं था. तो वी ऑल्सो डिडंट नो कि दिस विल हैपन. एंड 2 years वॉज वेरी लेस बिकॉज 3-4 months तो पूरा प्रोसेस करके प्रोडक्ट आने में लग जाता है. और ब्रांड बनाने के बाद देना, बिकॉज आई हैव टू शिफ्ट माई ऑफकोर्स माई एनर्जी, माई टीम पावर टू अदर ब्रांड, बिकॉज यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई वॉट यू आर डूइंग. इट नॉट भी आपने ले लिया है और फिर उतना इन्वेस्ट करना, उनके प्रोडक्ट्स को रखना. तो इट वॉज ए रिस्क एंड वी वर रेडी. बट देन फिर वो ईयर्स का था. बट नाउ इट्स सेलिंग, दे आर सेलिंग. बट वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग वेरी गुड. The good point that we realize is कि I did not went there, so I had a lot of focus to put on my energy on my brand, and we grew. So अगर आज मेरे पास 20 rackets, after 2 months we are bringing 20 rackets, शायद मैं नहीं कर पाता, because शायद there would be a point where I would be so much interested in selling their product and making money कि I would have felt short of working here and बैठे बैठे selling, getting money why you want to. So good, maybe this is a long future, but yeah, that point I realized कि थोड़ा सा वो
एरावत का हो जाएगा ना 40,000 का रैकेट.
और डेज
अमेरिका में लेंगे वो, उनके लिए क्या है,
उनके लिए कुछ नहीं
है ना.
वैल्यू इज लो ना. एक्चुअली वहाँ से द कॉस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट 40K. सो मेनी ऑफ माई पैडल्स आर मेड फ्रॉम द सेम ब्रांड. जहाँ से वो जिस द ब्रांड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, और वो ब्रांड का सेम आई एम मेकिंग फ्रॉम द सेम मैन्युफैक्चर. तो वी नो ऑलमोस्ट द सेम कॉस्ट. ठीक है, उन्होंने थोड़ा सा XYZ कुछ बढ़ा दिया होगा, ग्रिप में, बैग में, चेन में, थोड़ा सा कॉस्मेटिक्स को, दैट्स इट. बहुत फ़र्क नहीं आता, बेस सेम होता है. तो कॉस्ट इज़ द ब्रांड. प्रोडक्ट का कॉस्ट एक होता है, मेजर कॉस्ट होता है ब्रांड का.
बट क्रेजी है ना, मतलब सेम चीज़ एक ब्रांड 40,000 की बेच रहा है और सेम चीज़ एक मतलब अपकमिंग ब्रांड से 10,000 की बेच रहा है. तो मतलब जस्ट ब्रांड का 30,000 एक्स्ट्रा वो देने को तैयार हैं लोग. मैंने
अभी ना आपको थोड़ा टाइम पहले बोला था स्विमिंग कैप. नॉन ब्रांड में 40 रुपीज़ में स्विमिंग कैप बेचने के लिए ना, मतलब आई टेल यू, आई हैव टू थिंक ऑल द गॉड्स जस्ट टू सेल 40 रुपीज़ ऑफ स्विमिंग कैप. टुडे सेलिंग दोस 250 रुपीज़ MRP, दैट कैप इज लाइक एन हॉट किक. आई डोंट हैव टू सेल इट, पीपल वांट इट. I don't tell them buy it. They'll tell me please give me. Stock नहीं होता, they'll wait for my stock. It took years. It took the brand to be built, and people are buying. शायद somebody would have get the same quality, similar quality or best quality होगा, but they don't have a brand for that. They don't have a trust for that. So the entire game, जो भी industry, not sport, any industry, there is always a brand, and brand is equal to trust. अब ब्रांड का पैसा नहीं था, आप उसे ट्रस्ट का पैसा दे रहे हो. अब आप बेच रहे हो ना, आप आलमंड खरीदने जाओ मार्केट में, ओपन आलमंड है, मे बी 1,000 रुपीज़ kg. आप एक पर्टिकुलर स्टोर पे जाओ, पैक्ड करके रखा है, अच्छा
कैलिफोर्निया आलमंड,
नहीं भी लिखा उसने, कुछ नहीं लिखा होगा, उसने सिर्फ अपने पैकेट करके रखा, पर उसका स्टोर है और आप उसके स्टोर को जानते हो. आप उसके स्टोर पे वो 1,500 ले रहा है, वो इसी से खरीद रहा है 1,000 रुपये में और पैकेट का. पर आप क्या सोचते हैं मालूम है, ये जो भाई साहब है ना, ये उठा के भरेंगे, वो भाई साहब ना एक एक पीस चेक करेंगे क्योंकि 500 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा ले रहे हैं. तो व्हाट ही विल डू इज़ he will take and he will see कि आपको ना appropriate same measurement या same quality हो, dust is नहीं हो या, so he will try to remove all those things and put it the best for you. Your hard work is gone.
सीधे उठाओ खाओ.
तो you are ready to pay extra but you don't want to. हाँ, अब if 1,000 का 1,500, 1,000 का 3,000, 1,000 का 2,000 होता है ना, then it pinches your pocket. But 1,000 का 1,200, 1,000 का 1,500 is also big for, but 1,000 का 1,200 is somewhere okay. You can we can afford it. Just for example, double होता तो problematic होता. So that's where every sport, any industry, not sport industry, where the brand as a role is equal to trust. It took years to build them. आप किसी बड़े ब्रांड के रैकेट से खेलते हो ना, so just sports industry बना तो how the people athletes think. So if they play with the international brand, for example, and they lose the match, they blame कि यार I didn't play well. But if they play with some another brand racket and they lose the match, they blame the racket. So here they have a point to blame the racket, but they can't blame the racket. They blame themselves कि I didn't play well. But here they play the badminton didn't perform well. So यहाँ पे it's not about the money. It's about the trust their brand has built. And what everybody is doing is build trust. We are also trying to build a trust.
I think it's very similar to, so we do online coaching, and like a general online coach would charge you something 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 a month. We charge 15 to 20,000 per month. And अभी like believe it or not, अभी waiting list है हमारे पास. People are anxious to come on board because again it is just the trust.
Absolutely.
कि यार ये बंदे कुछ सही करेंगे, तो we don't mind paying that kind of money to them.
Absolutely.
So I think very similar to the Badam example.
Badam, yeah.
Yes.
कि मतलब
वो trust वो that is where the brand or everything, and see trust comes with quality. Trust comes with a lot of patience. Brand ऐसा नहीं है कि nobody is there today arrived and tomorrow they are brand. No, you talk any of the brand to years to come, because building a trust is one thing. Maintaining the trust is the
Yes,
biggest thing.
True.
You come with a storm, you have a lot of investment, you got all the good products, you have launched it, you have sold it. Are you sustaining it? Then you started looking at the numbers, you started looking at your books and everything, you're making profit, you started looking at the competitors, oh my competitors getting at lower price, making more money, then your ethics start coming to the play. Are you surviving your ethics? If you're surviving everything, then you're making...
then you're automatically
Yes,
bound to succeed.
Bound to succeed. So you have to wait. People want it tomorrow. So when tomorrow you want it, it's like...
फिर वो tomorrow का day after नीचे आ जाएगा.
नीचे आ जाएगा. So you have to wait.
वो कहते हैं ना जितनी जल्दी चीज ऊपर जाती है
उतने नीचे आ
जल्दी
जाती
नीचे
है.
आती
So
है.
that's how we as a brand or any the brand you see, they have waited for years. उसके बाद आपको quality, trust, innovation, new pricing. ऐसा नहीं है कि brand build हो गया तो you sell at any cost. You have to justify what you're selling. आप 20K ले रहे हो, tomorrow start taking 1 lakh rupees, आपकी audience गिर जाएगी.
हाँ justify नहीं है ना.
मतलब शायद वो 5-10 years के बाद जब when you see the market has grown much bigger, आपकी audience बहुत बड़ी हो गई है, you have evolved big, शायद आप 1 लाख रुपए लो, but उसके लिए what you'll do is you'll have a separate course of 1 lakh, but you don't want to leave a 20, 30K, 50K की audience. आप कहते हो क्यों छोड़ूँ मैं इसको audience को, but suddenly you've grown और आप directly जब मारते हो ना, people like are they paying me off that much, whether it's product or anything. तो वो balance करना है कि कितना percentage you have to rise. वो कैलकुलेशन आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इफ मैं बैट का 6,000 रख दूंगा उसका प्राइस बिकेगा ही नहीं. विद द प्रोडक्ट विद अभी प्रोडक्ट इंडस्ट्री व्हाट हैपन इज एनी द ब्रांड सेम प्रोडक्ट सेम मटेरियल सेम कॉस्टिंग सब कुछ सेम है. इसको लग्जरी थोड़ा डिज़ाइन बना के लग्जरी बोल दो, इसको थोड़ा मिनिमल प्राइस, सब कुछ सेम होता है, वेरिएशन कर देते. दैट्स हाउ यू विल मेक मनी. आपको पता है कि दोनों में से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं देने वाला है, बट हाउ विल यू मेक मनी. कुछ तो आपको इधर देना पड़ेगा, कुछ तो आपको उधर देना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आप सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाओगे. कभी सक्सेस हो जाता है और कभी बिकॉज लोअर रेंज इज सो गुड पीपल डोंट वांट योर हायर रेंज, बिकॉज लोअर रेंज आल्सो डूइंग ऑलरेडी गुड, बिकॉज whether they know or don't know, but when this range is not getting any problem, then why should I spend. तो ये रेंज बिकता है, वो रेंज फ्लॉप हो जाता है. So there's always a risk
ज़्यादा
of
अच्छा होना भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती
बहुत
है.
I think being in the product industry is the hardest. Like to sell a product is it's something, because it's not easy. Product तो सब बना लेते हैं,
हाँ.
पर क्योंकि सब बनाते हैं ना, पर I think to बेचना is very hard.
तो few years before this was not a problem. Now it's a task. It's a heavy task. Few years before there were competitions, there were people, but retail store with margin, with product range, with something. Now because of online,
Online.
it's getting very difficult to make the audience understand that what you see is not what you get. That is two different thing. कुछ अच्छे निकलते हैं मैं, बट बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखती सिमिलर है, बट व्हेन यू any of the product or any of the industry, what arrives at your place is very different, and you realize it later. So whether you, so now selling is getting very difficult. I go to sell a retail product. If I want to sell a particular any of the item of yoga mat or something, maybe my yoga mat is much more fine, much more better quality, much better thickness. Make them understand कि why it is 200, 300, 500 rupees extra. It's a task. बस दिखता तो सेम है, दिखता सेम है और यूज सेम होता है, वो बहुत फर्क होता है, बट ऑडियंस डजंट वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो एज यू सेड, नाउ इट हैज गॉन वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सेल अ प्रोडक्ट. बिफोर इट वाज लाइक ठीक है, यू मेक अ प्रोडक्ट, यू सेल अ प्रोडक्ट. अब नहीं होता है वो चीज़. इट्स वेरी टफ टास्क टू सेल अ प्रोडक्ट. नॉट ओनली स्पोर्ट्स, यू गो टू एनी ऑफ द कैटेगरी. आई एम जस्ट नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट जस्ट स्पोर्ट,
Any
category.
मार्केटिंग का बहुत बड़ा रोल हो गया.
और you see this new trend of making loss,
बर्न जिसको
बर्न करने का जो एक ट्रेंड आया है ना, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. so this particular Bangalore people that have arrived with this burning method कि इन्वेस्ट करो, बर्न करो, इन्वेस्टर्स लो, ग्रो करो, इन्वेस्ट करो, बर्न करो, इन्वेस्टर करो. व्हाट यू कॉल दिस, I just forgot the name. Valuation. So entire, अभी पहले profit was the game, now valuation is the game. Nobody talks about profit. How much profit are we making?
We're not making it.
Not.
Burning.
How much valuation? 200 crore, 300 crore, 2000 crore.
आजकल तो 200-400 करोड़ तो मजाक है.
Yes, मजाक बना दिया.
मतलब हर तीसरे दिन. और फंडिंग ऐसी मिल रही है. व्हेन यू लुक एट दी स्टार्टअप्स, उसको 100 करोड़ मिला, 150 करोड़ मिला, 300 करोड़ मिला. ये आपके जेप्टो वेप्टो 2000 करोड़, 2500 करोड़. बंदा मतलब क्या हो रहा है भाई?
Every second day startups are coming, or they want funding, they are burning. मार्केट ट्रेंड खराब करते हो, बैलेंस खराब हो जाती है, संतुलन बिगड़ता है. फिर कोई भी हो, फिर लॉसेज में सेल होते हैं, अंडर वैल्यूएशन सेल होते हैं, सर्वाइवल के लिए आप करने लगते हो. तो वन वे यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंक्रीजिंग बिजनेस इन इंडिया, एंड वन वे यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस प्रैक्टिस विच इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली गुड फॉर द इकोसिस्टम. यू शुड इनकरेज, पीपल शुड डू बिजनेस. मैंने बोलता मैंने किया है तो पीपल शुड नॉट एंटर. यू एंटर, but then enter with trying to make profit. I know nobody wants to make a loss, but then you're thinking of making profit after 10 years. Until the time majority of people don't survive, तो किसी का पैसा, इन्वेस्टर का पैसा चला जाता है, किसी का lot of hard work एनर्जी जाती है, और आपके ये प्रोसेस में there lot of other competitor जो started making losses. So if anybody tomorrow comes with a valuation game in my industry and start selling low, there are already people doing that. So we face a lot of heat कि the same item we used to sell for 100, now we have to sell for 60 rupees. The cost is 75 rupees.
तो आप ऐसे टाइम पे प्राइस एडजस्ट करते हो कि बोलते हो कि नहीं मैं उतने का ही बेचूंगा? करना पड़ता है?
No, पहले नहीं करते थे. Now we have changed flexible. Now we realize कि you can't be what you want. You have to change according to the time. I don't want to be a Nokia or Ambassador car anymore. What a trend want, change. For example, before you used to get the hand grip for 399 rupees. It used to sell good. 399 premium quality. The quality was very good. Packaging. 399 MRP to sell good. Suddenly online came, few brands came. Hand grip was selling like 129 rupees MRP. Lower the quality. People don't want to understand. Hand grip looks same. And I realized what I am doing. 399 I am selling. Okay, I'm making better profit. My costing is high, my profit is high, but I can't make the audience understand. So somebody suggested me कि you lower your profit and you sell it for 299 or 349. I said still they do not have a demand, because 129 को फिर मैं 299 को justify नहीं कर पाऊँगा. तो whether I should enter what they are selling, or whether I should be stick and wait for my audience to take. And then I thought कि छोड़ दो, let's jump into the well, जिसमें सब है उसी में कूद जाओ. But as a brand, we need to understand कितने प्रोडक्ट पे आपको कूदना है मार्केट के और कितना प्रोडक्ट आपको सेग्रीगेट करना है. So hand grip before used to fetching me good money. Now we are not. Now we are selling hand grip for 199 MRP. तो डिस्काउंट करके कस्टमर को 150, 160, 170 में मिल जाता है. We reduced, we changed the supplier, we reduced the cost, and we came to a very market segment what market wants. But even we don't do for every product. Now, hand grip was a big market product. If you're keeping for 399, people see, oh, this is 399, then it must be an expensive brand. So what is selling hotcake, come down, let the market be what they want, and other product be premium what you are has a USP. तो अब बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. पहले कैसा था कि ठीक है, what you want to sell you sell, we don't care. But after this COVID and online, we have to think for everything, because if you leave something will affect.
डिमांड के हिसाब से चलना पड़ेगा.
चेंज का तो we try to change a lot of things.
2025 में एरावत का क्या गोल है?
25 full year we just have focus on pickle pedal.
क्या आप जैसे 10,000 बेच लिए पिछले साल, अभी कितने बेचने हैं?
Numbers में तो I haven't
thought
of, because it's a game where we also still don't know. मतलब 10,000 भी मैं अगर एक साल पहले पूछते ना तो मैं शायद हंस देता. 10,000 बहुत बड़ा नंबर था, बहुत 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 बड़ा नंबर. 10,000 मतलब 1,000 भी बहुत बड़ा नंबर था उस समय सोच पाना. तो 10,000 मैंने बेच दिया. तो आई नो कि what can happen is we don't know. Of course there is a lot of competition arriving. So 2025 में our major focus is to have Pickle Pedal as the biggest Indian brand. Currently we are, but we want to go so stronger. We are trying to build a deeper network into Pickle Pedal with coaches and everything, where you hit the bottom segment of the market. उसके नीचे भी कुछ नहीं बचा. So you are taking by product and you're taking by professions, or you're taking by कोचेज एंड ऑल डीपर सेगमेंट उनको. तो अब दोनों जब सेगमेंट को टी बनाते हैं, टी द प्रोडक्ट लाइन एंड द बेस लाइन लाइक कोचेज अकेडमीज, जैसे टी लाइन. तो जब टी लाइन हो जाता है ना, तो यू मेक इट अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेगमेंट की ऑलमोस्ट कैप्चर. ये टी लाइन के बाद ना सिर्फ सर्कल आता है, यू पुट इट लाइक दिस, इट कम्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ सर्कल. तो अब एक पार्ट पूरा कैप्चर कर चुके हो, अपर पार्ट सेगमेंट को यू डोंट मेक मनी. सो वी फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो 2025 में वी जस्ट वॉन्ट टू मेक अ कम्प्लीट टी फॉर द पिकल पेडल. एक पूरा टारगेट है कि वो टी बन जाए हमारा. अपर सेगमेंट को तो वी कांट कैप्चर, वो अबाव जो होता है टी के, तो बिलो जो टी के है वो पूरा हमको चाहिए. तो वी हैव वन फोकस इज, तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट इट USPA अप्रूव्ड. We are trying to get the coaches built. We are trying to increase the quality. We are getting 17,000, 18,000 of rackets by 2 months next to titanium and all. So we are doing something different for the audience.
Very interesting.
So over 25 में pedal is the focus. We don't want to change anything. Baki everything is good. Swimming we are good. So swimming also we are doing very good now. We are getting one product from Malaysia, that's a fins.
Okay.
One particular company has a monopoly since years into this fins, so they charged very high. And no, see that's how the brand changes the game. Getting one particular company is from US and they are doing very good in fins, and उनके fins के अलावा nothing else is sold. But that is the highest selling. Just sell it for huge amount, 4K, 5K.
अच्छा.
But because you wanted that, because that particular quality is only made in Malaysia, you're not making in China. Nobody wants to go in Malaysia, dig there, find the China में ढूंढना, Malaysia में ढूंढना is a task. If anybody wants to come and get a product from Jalandhar, it's a task. Which is a good company, कौन exactly product बना रहा है, मतलब there is no sourcing. I had to work for almost more than 1 year to just find the right supplier who's making for that brand. It took 1 year. I went 2 times Malaysia only to find online, going there, meeting people. After almost 1.5 years, I found exactly the supplier that is making the same. Because
Malaysia में ही हो?
Malaysia में, supplier Malaysia में ही. Finding the right, because क्या होता है, that is a technical product. It is not a pickle pedal की variation चलता है, उसमें वही चलता है, उसको टेक्निक. I cannot develop a technique product. वो technique product जिसने बनाया है ना, सिर्फ वही बना सकता है.
साइंस है.
तो I can't change it कि go और मेरे को similar नहीं बनता है. It took 1.5 years to research and find that product. So 1.5 years when we are launching almost 40% down the price.
अच्छा.
So it is not just the profit. Profit is one thing. एज अ ब्रांड एवरीबडी वांट्स टू डू. तो मैं क्यों झूठ बोलूँ कि मैं प्रॉफिट नहीं चाहता हूँ, बट ऑलवेज समथिंग वी डू वांट द सोसाइटी. आप एक स्विमिंग की टीम को डेवलप करते. एक स्विमिंग जब बच्चा जब आता है ना, 5K का पेडल लेना, 3-4K की गॉगल्स लेना, अपैरल्स लेना, मार्केट स्मॉल, फ्यूचर ऑफ मनी मेकिंग स्मॉल. क्रिकेट की तरह नहीं कि बहुत पैसे आते हैं, उसमें आप अपने बच्चों को इतना एक्सपेंस नहीं डालना चाहते हो. तो द रिच किड्स और द रिच पेरेंट्स वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन व्हाट माय चाइल्ड वांट्स टू. दैट्स इट. लोअर ग्रेड में दिस इज नथिंग. As a brand, what we are doing is we are trying to bring more and more product that is more affordable to the training audience. Once the training audience go affordable, they start getting affordable goggle, cap. We are getting international caps that is used for international swimming. The goggles we got World Aquatic approved. So we are getting in training that we are doing one part. So 2025 में this one segment where we want to for swimming, we want to train because swimming is the base. So I just can't leave it. So training audience we're trying to capture it, and then of course the pickle pedal that we are focused.
ये तो एरावत दिखेगा हर जगह में. सेलिब्रिटी ले घूमेंगे वो टाइटेनियम वाला एरावत. अरे एरावत है. Do you have a business? Sorry.
I wanted to ask, do you play pickle?
I played pickle since 1 month, not, but yes, I played pickle.
You play,
and that's why I realized कि a guy like me, I love cricket. I played badminton fewer times. Hitting a shuttlecock was a task for me. मतलब हवा में आते हुए shuttlecock को judge करना is a task. And opponents were very good. Because they were regular playing. Football, they were very good. Basketball, never played. So I realized कि when I played pickle and when I played with the people जो पहले भी badminton खेलते थे, but I defeated them in pickle.
अच्छा.
And I realized कि बैडमिंटन में I cannot hit twice or 3 मतलब with them, but 2 to 3 times में I'm just out. And in pickle they are very good into badminton. I'm defeating it. That means this is a game that can just change the thought process. And people like me never played badminton, not interested because I cannot. When you can't just play, now you can't go and learn at this age. I'm not going to an academy to learn it. And playing with friends, you don't play. Oh, I'll teach you. You're playing directly the game.
Right.
When you're playing the game, 2-3 times you can't play, you're out and you get disappointed. You don't want to play it.
Then it's not fun.
There's no fun.
Yeah.
Here you can hit it. And when you can hit it and you can win it, you see the opponent same category. And that is where I realized that this audience is not the regular sport. It's new people that are coming. I have a lot of my friends that have been asking me, you have pickle? कभी कोई गेम नहीं खेलते थे या क्रिकेट ही खेलते थे, only cricket या nothing. And they started, we want to play pickle, send me pickle, which pickle is good. And I realized that the audience is new. And that's why I have more interest
in building the
business mind jaga. Do you have a business mentor or a marketing mentor who like you talk to when it comes to business decisions?
So the business mentor marketing is all about my uncle. So okay. He's there into the business. He looks after, we go together, purchase and all. He's in 32 years, 34 years. He's very deep into business, work ethics, very strong, very disciplined. So you know, I don't know about the world or about other things when you have somebody at home with so much of knowledge. So there's so much of knowledge that I can, people take knowledge from him, so why should I leave it? And we work together, the same house, same family, live together. There's a lot of input that he keeps on giving me, building things. So we keep on discussing certain things because, you know, he has an experience. I have a new things to capture. So we both gel somewhere, come in between. So that's where he gives a lot of input for me.
Very interesting.
Outside, तो we don't have it. हाँ, घर पे ही मिल जाता है मेजर तो because he's built a lot from scratches, building all this thing. So he knows pulse and everything. Of course, the trends have changed. Yeah, trends keep on changing suddenly, but for the base, तो base ही रहेगा. Base से there's a lot of support we get it, understand what is happening.
Nice.
Because I had to build a brand. I didn't know whether quality was the main priority. His focus was very clear. First is quality. Then rest everything. But if you want like 25 rupees, 35 rupees, we have a year plugs. He said even the year plugs should have a quality. If not, don't sell it. Don't sell the product, but don't compromise the quality. And I told you, when the brand is equal to trust, and the trust comes from him. So brand, even if I made, the base is trust, and trust comes from quality, and that has arrived from him. He always tells me, I sold 40 rupees of cap, and I sold for purchases 40, I sold for 37, 38, but I never left the cap, and today that cap made a brand. So selling in losses that time, today converting into a brand and
वो
giving.
एक तरह का बर्न ही हो गया उस टाइम का.
वो उस टाइम का बर्न था, बट यू डोंट बर्न ऑन एवरीथिंग.
Other products.
You burn your own money. It's not
You
कि
burn your own
investor
money.
का उठा के.
हाँ, and second thing, you're not burning on all the sectors. अब एक प्रोडक्ट को, you know, he was more a passionate guy. He was making money other, but he don't want to leave the swimming cap. So somewhere he made profit also, somewhere he made loss also. तो आप at the end balance कर लेते हो. किसी को आपने 38 में दे दिया, किसी को आपने 42 में दे दिया. दैट वाज नो, यू कैन सेल इट इन एनी प्राइस एंड ब्रिंग टू कन्वर्जन, बट यू आर नॉट लीविंग द क्वालिटी. यू डोंट वांट टू लीव, बिकॉज बहुत मुश्किल से क्वालिटी मिलता है. आप क्वालिटी छोड़ दो. सो आई लर्न ऑल दिस थिंग कि क्वालिटी इज फर्स्ट, गिव न्यू टू द ऑडियंस, गिव इनोवेटिव. Like today, like we're getting titanium rackets or Kevlar pickle pedal. I never thought of entering it. I thought we are doing good in carbon and all, and we are doing decent money. He said, he's a very basic calculation. We are selling a racket for 8K. He said, your titanium pedals are around, cost is 8K. You would be selling for 12K, 13K, somewhere around. He said, अगर 12K पे नहीं बिकता है, 8K पे तो बिक रहा है rackets. You are already selling for 8K. That means the market is there. So even if you cannot sell for 12K, you can sell for 8K. That means you're not making a loss. You're not making a loss. Jump one step ahead. Maybe 12K would the audience want to buy it. If they buy it, तो 8K पे तो बिक ही रहा है. So you can even sell at your cost price. So jump. That's how he pushed me to make it. If the audience has a trust on your brand, if they want a better quality, where they will go? They should have your. And then, so that's how, you know, getting all World Aquatics approved. He said, कितना पैसा लग रहा है? I said around 3 lakh something for getting approval. He said, put it. I said, we'll not make money. It's a loss. It doesn't matter. Put it. It's not the loss. It's a brand. So a gap of a 55-year-old person talking that it's not the money. You are making a brand. People should know you have a first Indian brand to go World Aquatics. Today you go World Aquatics site, and when you type World Aquatics swimming goggle, and you see Airavat is the first name that arrived. It's a very big achievement, because pan worldwide, when people come on the sites and they want to see, nobody had ever thought that India would be there someday. World Aquatics stage. Wow. That's very big for us a brand. He said, paisa doesn't matter. We're not making money in the World Aquatics goggle. It's a costliest goggle. The market is very niche. The market is very different. He said, doesn't matter.
But वो brand आपको again trust build करवाता है.
It's a trust build. You are giving it, you give confidence. You know what you're selling. He wants to work with Taiwan. He wants to work with. I said, why you want to work with Taiwan? They're costly. He said, doesn't matter. Costly is good. Costly देगा पर अच्छा देगा. You can compete with whom you are selling. You have to have a great. So we got a swimming range from Taiwan, high-end goggles. Selling 2K as an Indian brand in goggle is a task. We got 1,500 goggles, 1,800 rupees of goggles. We got the world's first most flexible lens goggle. The entire lens is curved. Okay. Nobody has this in India. He said, we'll buy it. Fortunately sold. 1,500 as an Indian brand. मतलब international brand 1,500 रखने को सोचते हैं. Indian brand 1,500 rupees के we sold it and we made money. We made brand. People liked it. It was very different. It was his idea. Go take risk. How much amount will go? Average calculation करो. If it's too much of burning thing, if you're taking a risk which is affordable, take it.
Do it. Risk लेना
जरूर. That's how he learned. Because that's all come with experience of what he does.
What is some advice you would like to give to like young entrepreneurs getting into business?
Focus, ethics, patience. बहुत important.
तीनों चीजें आजकल के यूथ में नहीं है.
So that's how the old people, you see, आज भी discipline is one thing very important. Be on time. Some days you won't like it, some days you're bored, some days you feel like, why am I doing it? But if you really want to
लगे रहो.
focus, लगे रहो. मतलब that's the only, there is no shortcut for success. There is, we talk about कि ठीक है, 1000-2000 में किसी एक ने बहुत क्विक सक्सेस देख लिया, तो don't look them as कि maybe luck, he's something would have clicked for him, but you see the rest of the audience. So majority. You don't see. I understand. If you really want to learn business, don't see who are successful, see who are failures. When you block the holes of the failure, you automatically get success. आप success पे जाओगे you don't see if somebody is talking to me and talk about the success thing, I'll not talk about how much places I have failed. So you'll see, the brand, they are very good, let's enter into sports, but you don't see how much of patience, time or unsuccessful things that we have arrived. And then if you know that thing, you'll automatically say. So for the audience, like, have patience, focus. Ethics is very, very important. Keeps changing. Matlab, I have money to pay you, or that this product is not worthy to be sold out. Bear the cost. Throw it away. Don't give it. Don't try to sell it. Make different ways. If you cannot recover, find ways. Use your brain. We also face losses. We got an entire swimming goggles that got stuck. Matlab, the glasses, and then got stuck and melt. It happened melted. I can't take off 30,000 pieces. I can't take China and return it. I can't fight with them. Matlab, they'll say kabhi hua nahi hai. What will they'll give me minimal cost. I have to bear the cost. I can't sell it to my audience. I can't sell it, nikal jayega. No, I have to bear the cost. We find it ways. We use the packaging. I said, give me the bakkal. I made my staff sitting. We did everything. So you don't see profit. You see recover. Have ethics. And that is very important to have into any business.
Ethics, very, very important. Wow, that was very, very, very resourceful. So many things to learn, but I think मेरा takeaway था कि focus on quality. That is something
yes.
वो मेरे दिमाग में घुस गई, and very similar to like we own a restaurant, and like हमने भी जब शुरू किया था ऐसा था कि quality of ingredients, quality of food has to be up there. और कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि कुछ सस्ता ingredient मिल रहा है, profit बढ़ाने के लिए वो ले लो. नहीं,
absolutely.
तो वो I think we resonate in that way.
Absolutely.
Very close to how you've been doing businesses, like यार quality होनी चाहिए चाहे. I think there are some dishes on our menu that we don't make any money on.
Yes.
मतलब थोड़े पैसे हम but वो अच्छा है, हमें मालूम है कि कोई खाएगा वो ना याद रखेगा.
That's a puller. You call it a puller. Why should I come to you? So restaurant, food is something very important. So if I'm coming here, you need to have a food. Food comes with taste. आप ambience को ना चाहिए कितना भी खूबसूरत बना दीजिए. अगर आपने पैसे इस ambience का बाद में देते हो, आप पैसे पहले तो food का देते हो. अगर taste is not good, everything runs away. Agreed. Same product or quality, no matter how brilliant I package a product, at the end I am not paying for the packing, I am paying for the product. Simon, in the mind, packaging looks premium, good. It's a puller to attract to the audience, buy me. The first step. But the main step is the product. Main step is your taste. If that is not good, so second time even your packaging cannot attract.
True.
And the brand like us, where we are into multiple sports, multiple categories, we have to see कि why 25 rupees or 35 rupees yearly has to have the quality, because if an audience ने पैसे सस्ते देख के उसने खरीद तो लिया 35 rupees का, but for the future if he is buying a 35 rupees and did not like it, the quality is not good, he will never buy my 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 rupees of product. He will tell no, don't buy Airavat. And the biggest marketing is the word of mouth. Nothing can be much bigger. And if I tell you don't buy Airavat as a friend, no matter what, no matter if I read Shah Rukh Khan also, you'll say no. He said no buy Airavat, then
कोई भी बेच ले.
Virat Kohli standing, you said दोस्त ने बोला नहीं तो नहीं. That has a strong word of mouth. So we try to do that कि anything basic also, if you compromise here and your audience suddenly buys that, the trust there goes away.
Wow.
that is where
Amazing, man. It was great having you here. I have so much to learn. कितना टाइम हो गया हमें बात करते हुए?
1.5 घंटा.
Wow.
नहीं पता चला ना. Wow, thank you so much guys for listening to this. I just wanted to bring something to your attention. 80% of the people who are watching this are not subscribed.
Okay.
So please subscribe to our channel, and
Please subscribe. Yeah.
even was just saying this now because hey, high quality, remember. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank
It
you,
was
thank you
very
very
very resourceful, and like I said, like I love talking about business, and when it comes from a fellow business person and entrepreneur, I like everything kind of sparks. And thank you for this. I will be playing my first game very soon, and like I'm going to get back to you on how I liked your the battle.
Do tag us also.
I will.
Yeah,
Like you subscribe. So do tag us also.
100%.
We also trying to do a lot of content.
Of course,
oriented
you
product.
have to. आजकल तो content
Oh,
की
a lot
दुनिया
of
ना.
change. This तो everything have changed
अरे,
before.
अरे.
So
It's a good and bad thing. I think more good than bad.
see, with times, if you do not adopt it,
हाँ.
you will find it bad.
Agreed.
A parent did not adapt the new mobile phone. They said bad. You know, it was a trend. When children used to be on phone, why a phone? But you see, now the parents have also started using smartphones. They started going on Facebook, and you see our parents also scrolling. It was bad when we used, but now it's bad for them, but you can't stop it. So you need to adapt it.
You need to
Whether
adapt.
this content is good or not, cringe is bad. But the audience wants cringe.
They love it.
They love it.
Yeah.
The cringe has more followers than good content like us.
100%.
You make a cringe content, you see the audience. You bring somebody different guy, you see the people wants it. Somewhere down the line, you have to bring the balance.
But वही बात आ जाती है ना क्वालिटी की. वो क्रिंज में क्वालिटी नहीं आएगी.
नहीं, see, वो क्वालिटी निकालने का काम आपका है. You bring a guy where has a cringe. You bring a content with the cringe. You bring something that you're putting with the cringe. आप उसको दो audience को. Don't change your base. So your base is giving content something. Be there. But with the cringe, not exactly with the cringe, but something different that the audience is wanting into that industry. वो industry को balance
करना पड़ेगा.
नाम भी है balance part. You have to bring a balance.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, guys. This is Sid signing off.
And this is Veera saying bye-bye.
Thank you.
This was
Thank you very
wonderful.
much. coming in.
Thank you.
Until next time.
Thank you.